With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Friends, our today's question is the number of pairs a comma b for which a x plus 1 whole square plus b x square, it is x square minus 3x minus 2 plus x plus 1 equal to 0 for all x belongs to R is. So in the question it is given to us, here we are given with an equation, and it is given to us we have to find the number of ordered pairs a comma b for which this equation is defined for all x belongs to R. That is, it is all x belongs to R are satisfying this equation. So we have to find the number of ordered pairs a comma b. So here options are given to us as 0, 1, 2 and infinite. So for solution part, what we will do, firstly we will this is a quadratic equation, so we will write it in the form of 1. So we will simplify this. It will be a multiplied by, here we are having x plus 1 whole square. So what we are going to do, we are going to use the identity that a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square is equals to 2ab. This identity we are going to use here. So this will become x square plus 1 plus 2x plus b times of x square minus 3x minus 2 plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now what we will do, we will write it in the form of quadratic equation. That is, we will separate the coefficient of x square, x and the constant terms. So we will write it as a x square plus a plus 2ax plus bx square minus 3bx minus 2b plus x plus 1 equal to 0. We are having this. We will write it as a plus b x square plus 2a minus 3b plus 1x plus a minus 2b plus 1 equal to 0. This we are having. Now what we are given in the question, that this equation is valid for, we are given that this equation is valid for all x belongs to R. If a quadratic equation is valid for all x belongs to R, so we know that a equation has the number of roots equal to the highest power of that equation. So here the highest power is 2, so it must have 2 roots, but it is given in the question that it is defined for all x belongs to R, which means this must be an identity. So for this to be an identity, what we will use here, let's say px square plus qx plus r equal to 0. A quadratic equation is given to us. So for this equation to be an identity, what we must have, we must have p equal to q equal to r equal to 0. The values of coefficients must be equal to 0, then this will be an identity. So same we are going to use here. So a plus b must be equal to 0. Let's say this is first equation. 2a minus 3b plus 1 equal to 0. It is second equation. And a minus 2b must plus 1 must also equal to 0. This is third equation. If these three things will happen simultaneously, then this will be an identity. So what we are going to do, we are going to solve the equation. Let's say firstly we will solve. On solving 1 and third, what we will get, on solving this, what we will get, we are going to subtract 1 from third. So what we will get, a minus 2b plus 1 equal to 0, a plus b equal to 0. On subtracting, the sign will change. This will be minus 3b plus 1 equal to 0. minus 3b plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of b from here will be 1 by 3. We are having the value of b as 1 by 3. Now, putting the value of b as 1 by 3 in equation 1, we will get a equal to minus 1 by 3. As a plus b equal to 0 it is given. So we are having this value. Now for this value of a and b, the equation 1 and 3 are 0. Now we will check for equation 2. So in equation 2 we will check. So 2 times of minus 1 by 3 minus 3 times of 1 by 3 plus 1 equal to 0. If this condition satisfies, then we will have one ordered pair from here. So minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 3 plus 1 equal to 0, which is not possible. So this is not possible. Therefore, we are not having any value of a and b for which these three equations are simultaneously 0. Therefore, there is no possible value of a comma b as ordered pair for which this quadratic equation is defined for all x belongs to R. Therefore, a comma b, the ordered pair a comma b, are having 5 number of elements. That is, there is no value of a comma b for which this is defined for all x belong to R. So we are getting the option number 1 as answer. So our answer is A option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.